Jerry, this is Matt, and I'm at the bench here with your transmission. This is the area in the back of the transmission case where the housing snapped off of the overdrive, the adapter for the transfer case in the back end of this transmission. To give you an idea, there's a lot of worn parts in the transmission. Your band right here is burned. There's a lot of metal inside the transmission. You can tell by looking at this magnet inside the pan. It's really glopped up with collected metal. So there is a lot of wear and tear from the last 100 or so thousand miles. Even your clutches are showing a lot of burning. They're black here. And on the rest of the transmission, there's not a lot of major hard parts, but there is play right here in the sun shell. You can see right there that the gear is rocking real bad in the splines. They'll need to have some shift solenoids because of the metal contamination, and then a torque converter, and just a good solid rebuild with a new case. Once we replace the case and put it all back together, we'll have to change the 2 universal joints in the rear drive shaft so that this won't happen again. We'll go ahead and send this video to you along with the hot flush video, show you how we clean out the lines, and a PDF of your estimate will be attached at the bottom of the email. Again, Jerry, if you have any questions or concerns, just give me a call. This is Matt. Thank you. Flush machine. This is flushing a transmission out right now. It's not hooked up to your car at the moment, but you can see the lines go up and they connect to the cooler lines of the transmission, and then the lines pump the hot transmission fluid. Right now, the fluid is up to about 179 degrees. It's pumping through at about 40 pounds of pressure. It's on, looks like a 60-minute cycle, and it is reverse flushing air pressure from the shop that's connected to the machine. Every 3 seconds, it reverse flushes a pulse of air through there for turbulence. On the flow meter, we can see we're flowing 4 gallons per minute. And of course, when we're through flushing lines on your transmission, yours will flow like this as well. And the lines will be completely cleaned, and the cooler will be completely cleaned for your transmission. And no debris or metal will then get back into the new transmission. That's our hot flush.